Hello. 5 easy poultry health remedies you can do at home as a poultry farmer. If you're a poultry farmer and you have a small space in your poultry backyard, please plant and make use of all these 5 plants I'm going to give you in this particular video. Watch the video till the end, and if you like this particular content, give it a thumb up, like, share, and drop your comment on the comment section. If there's anything you do not understand properly, drop it on the comment section. I will gladly explain more. Keeping your poultry birds healthy is essential for maximizing productivity and preventing diseases. While commercial medication are available, natural home remedies can be effective in maintaining poultry health, reducing costs, and minimizing chemical exposure. In this particular video, we will explore 5 simple yet powerful poultry health remedies you can prepare at home using natural ingredients. Very simple ingredients and very simple plants. They are available and you can still plant them in your backyard. Number 1 is garlic and ginger. Garlic and ginger boosts immunity. They are strong immune boosters. So if you are in organic poultry farming, even if you are using synthetic, use the particular 2 plants, garlic and ginger. They have strong antibacterial, antiviral, and immune boosting properties. To prepare it, very simple. Blend or crush 5 pieces of garlic and a thumb-sized piece of ginger. Mix it with 1 liter of water and allow it to sit for a few hours. Administer 5 ml per bird daily through drinking water to boost their immunity and prevent infections, mostly CRD and other infections. Number 2 is aloe vera. Aloe vera is very powerful. It is for digestive health and it cures green droppings. Aloe vera is known for its healing and anti-inflammatory properties, which help with digestion and reduce green droppings. Extract the gel from 1 large-sized aloe vera leaf and blend it with liter of water. Give 10 ml per liter of drinking water for 3 to 5 days to aid digestion and prevent diarrhea. And if your poultry breast is dropping green poo-poo, please administer it immediately. It's going to clear within 3 to 5 days. Number 3 is apple cider vinegar. It is good for respiratory infections. Apple cider vinegar helps to clear mucus. It improves digestion and enhances respiratory health. Add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar per liter of water for 3 to 5 days. This helps prevent respiratory infections and support gut health. Another one is papaya leaf. Papaya leaf is good for worm and parasites. Papaya leaves contains papain, an enzyme that helps eliminate intestinal worms naturally. Blend fresh papaya leaf with water, 1 leaf per liter of water. Give 5 ml per bird for 3 to 5 days to expel worms and improve digestion immediately. All these plants are available within your backyard and you can easily prepare them. The next one is turmeric and black pepper. They are for anti-inflammation. Turmeric is a powerful natural antibiotics and anti-inflammatory. With black pepper combined, it enhances its absorption. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with a pinch of black pepper in 1 liter of water. This can serve up to 100 birds. Administer twice every week to prevent infections and boost overall poultry health. If you're a poultry farmer, all these plants I mentioned here, watch how you can blend them. Please, if you want to blend them, use mortar. and wash it properly. After washing them, put them in a mortar with pistil and pound them very well. If you have blender, very good. Use blender and blend them and grind, or you have a grinding machine, grind them very well. Add little water. Then after preparing them, then you cannot dilute them with the number of quantity of water I've given you in this particular video. Use these natural remedies regularly, and it can help you keep your poultry healthy and reduce dependence on commercial drugs. Simple, cost-effective solutions can be easily prepared at home to improve immunity, digestion, and overall well-being of your flock. Try this remedy today and see the difference in your poultry health. If you have any question regarding this, you can use it for broilers, you can use it for layers, and even ornamental birds, turkey, geese, and others. If you have any question regarding this topic, please drop it on the comment section. If you have any question regarding any organic poultry farming at all, even the videos you have already treated, please drop it in the comment section. I will answer you. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, this is the right time for you to subscribe. This channel is for poultry and livestock animal business. Everything concerning poultry and livestock, we treat them in this particular channel. Thank you for watching this video till. If you have watched this video till now, it means you love your poultry business and you will prosper also. Thank you for watching. For now.